While you're asleep, there is rest at the cellular level, allowing for physical and mental recovery. I'm Dr. Meeta Singh, a specialist in sleep medicine. Today, we'll be talking about how much of an impact sleep has on your physical performance. Last year, I was recruited by the Washington Nationals to help them win the World Series. The pros know the secret that I'm going to teach you. Getting the right amount of restful sleep is absolutely vital to athletic performance because accuracy, optimal motor function, mental focus, as well as stress regulation are deeply affected by sleep. I tell my clients that sleep is like a single switch circuit board. Turn it off and everything else gets switched off. And with that, let's explore how sleep and exercise can make each other better. You may think that exercising before bed tires you out, but that's not necessarily the case always. Working out too rigorously before bedtime can overstimulate you. So plan for more intense workouts earlier in the day and gentle stretching before bed. It's important to create a schedule so you don't have to choose between exercise and sleep. You're aiming for 7 to 9 hours every night in bed for optimal health. To really get sleep's benefit, you need to do this consistently. So make sure you're scheduling your workouts at a time that won't interfere with any other obligations. Granted, life doesn't always make this easy on us, but being mindful of your bedtime will help you prepare better so that you have plenty of time to unwind and get ready for bed. Research has now shown us that our brains get power washed during sleep, getting rid of waste material. Your muscles also store energy during this time and use this time to recover. So how can you ensure that you're optimizing bedtime? Creating a wind-down routine is important. I'd suggest setting an alarm to remind you when it's time to start winding down. This helps your internal clock recognize that you're ready for bed. And if you're wondering what I mean by your internal clock, it's the 24-hour timekeeping system that we have in our brains. This system also influences important elements for athletic performance, like flexibility, reaction time, and muscle strength. As you stay mindful of your internal clock and your bedtime, you should immediately start to see benefits in alertness the next day. But eventually, you will start to see long-term results such as improved cardiovascular functioning and improved metabolism. If you dedicate yourself to getting a good night's rest, you might be surprised by what your body is capable of.